Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fax from iPhone 16e. To do it, you need to download an app for it, so you can just find the fax app, just search for it in the App Store and download the one that has the black background and white text on it, because this app is just free, I guess. And we can go into that app, consent, then allow notifications or not, and here you can just add a cover page if you want, and you can add an image or document that you want to send. So you can scan it now, select from photo library, from another app, or from iCloud. I'm gonna actually select it from the iCloud, not this one, from iCloud, because I have a document that I want to send. And now you can just select the recipient's number, because faxes have numbers, of course. And then select just the country number, enter the number and click on send, and it'll be sent. You can also see your inbox if someone sends you a fax, but in order to use it you need to get the fax number in the app. So if you don't have a fax machine, then you can just digitally use it by getting the fax number, then select the country, and it's only available in the United States or Canada for now. And now select the area code. So I'm just gonna select like the New York City, then click on next, and now you can select a random phone number, next, and then you should pay, of course, for that subscription, which is quite pricey, so I think it's better to just get the actual fax. But if you need it just for a certain time, then you can of course get it here and subscribe. Then you can also cancel it anytime, because the subscription goes over the Apple account. So whenever you want to cancel that subscription, just go to App Store. In App Store, go to your profile icon in the top right corner, and no, actually, sorry, I think we need to go to the settings, Apple account, and here we can find subscriptions, and you'll find the subscription and you will be able to cancel it later. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.